Good morning. So our trip has ended. We're on our way home. We actually left at 5:30, but it was way too dark to be recording. It is like 8:50 right now. We're heading up to Munising because I wanted to stop at a gift shop. And we're early. So we stopped here at Scotts Falls. I love this little waterfall. So we made it to the other side of the little stream. Slow to focus, so just taking some pictures. All right, I pottied the girls this morning when we left. It was like 5:30-ish, maybe 5:15, because we ended up finally leaving at 5:45. So I pottied them then. It's 9:30, so it's been 4 hours. They could probably hold their potty. They don't tend to have accidents and can hold it very long. However, we're stopping, so we're pottying them, and we still have to feed them breakfast. So we actually came here because I need something from this gift shop. Because I've been collecting these little, I think they're copper covered leaves, but they take a real leaf, so like a maple leaf, and they dip it in copper, I believe it is, or some kind of metal, so then it's like preserved forever. Now that we're leaving Michigan, I just really want to make sure. I don't know, I originally wanted one up at Copper Harbor. None of the gift shops there carried them. I got one from here before, so I'm just gonna get one or two more from here, because I have one from Porcupine Mountains, one from Grand Marais, one from this place in Munising. So I was hoping to get one up at Copper Harbor or two, so I could kind of have one from all the different places we visited up here. If I had time, I'd go up to the Sulaks or Tahquamenon and get one from there, because we've been there many times too, but that's okay. So we're gonna get a couple from here, and then hubby has a little art project he wants to do for me on how to display them. So I'm excited for that. But I'm gonna finish up potting the dogs, and then we're gonna go feed them. All right, so we are at Tahquamenon State Park as a surprise. We're gonna go straight home after leaving Brockway Mountain and stopping at the gift shop. But somebody knew that I kind of was hoping to see these falls. So we're gonna go check out the falls and hopefully get some good pictures. Chipmunk. Look at all the pretty fall colors. It's our first time seeing Tahquamenon Falls in the fall. Definitely different. Very beautiful. Look at all of them. Look at all those reds. All right. Last time over the Mackinac Bridge, probably for quite some time. I think it's our first time going over it raining. Yay, nay, maybe? It's raining, it's dreary. It's interesting. Road over there.